up from an afternoon nap. And any of you black women or women with curly hair know what's going on with my hair. Which I'm kind of letting it air dry. Not kind of, I am. Letting it air dry. It was in a towel at first. But anyway, enough talking. Oof. I feel clogged up today. What's going on? I wipe down I wipe things down when I'm cleaning door handles and so forth, but I'm the only one living here. The only thing I can think of is when I went out the other day and bought different things. I'm not sure. I feel tired still. Look at this hairdo. Makes my head look long. Oblong. Oval. Ow, ow. Don't get an injury that you can't get help with. I have to, what am I going to put my